Grab one of the main shelf trays and clear all the die cut holes. And press out the center tab. You can pre-bend corrugated along the crease lines. In this step, you want to partially assemble the product tray. Lock the sides in by folding them over each end and insert into the locking slots. You can finish this step by locking the top of the tray into itself. Next, grab one of the two horizontal shelves and pre-break all the creases. Drop that shelf down into the tray and slide the two flaps into the sidewalls. Make sure that shelf is totally seated and do the same thing on the other side with the second shelf. Tap the sides of the tray in to ensure the 2-inch locking tabs are secure. Next, grab the product tray, lay it on its back, and pre-crease these product dividers and insert them into each shelf. Ensure these dividers are pressed firmly down to the bottom. And you can start loading your product into the product tray. Insert the product tray with the product facing up into the box. Rotate it, then continue on with packaging the rest of the display. You will now take the main display chair base, open the display up and push the sides in to fold it like an accordion. Fold the unprinted panel down along the crease twice. Next, carefully fold down the back panel and then carefully insert the rest of the display, making sure nothing catches on its way in. Take the header, fold the two sides in, and you can tuck that inside. At this stage you can tape up the box and it's ready to go.